Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Delinghi Magnifica, and this machine was brought in because it was failing to froth milk properly. And what we had discovered is that it worked intermittently, but the problem was the solenoid valves, and they were not opening and closing properly. And so they weren't allowing steam or hot water to flow through at full pressure, which is actually what froths the milk. It's a back pressure. Steam is forced through here, and then it causes milk to be drawn up through the straw and then out here. But we have replaced the valves and now everything's functioning as it should, and let's give it a go. Nice frothing milk. There we go. Now that the milk's there, it will pull the shot. Looking good. Alright, well there we go, Delinghi Magnifica making cappuccinos once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.